My name is Claudia Rose. I am a fashion filmmaker and welcome to What's in My Camera Bag.
I'll say...
Not again. This isn't what's in my camera box. This was my dad's camera box. When he was a photographer, he was back in the film era when you took a Polaroid to see what the image was. Having this beautiful relic in my kit is always something I like as a sentiment, a good omen, and it's still completely functional. Firstly, my lens that I probably use the most, although I have been using a lot more prime lenses recently, but a lens that you can kind of use for anything is the 24-105. So in my kit, as far as primes, I have the 35mm, the 50mm, the 85mm, and the 20mm. As you can see in front of me, there are so many amazing lenses, and you know, as much as a camera is such a beautiful object and really does change your style of storytelling, the lens is really what is the eye for your camera. I would say one of my favorites is actually the 50mm. I feel like you can create such beautiful intimacy within a shot with a 50mm lens. The portraiture you get from it is just divine, and the frame of a 50mm is just such a classic frame for storytelling. The 85mm is surprisingly amazing for not just your portrait shot. The beautiful kind of perspective you get from it really kind of creates this like almost like medium format beautiful style. So I'm obsessed with the 85mm. The 24-105 is such a good lens for when you're kind of running from here to there and you need to get every perspective. I love it for that. Like, it really does help me on those shoots, which are quite often. But when it comes to really intentionally setting up your vision, having a prime lens is my ideal way to go. I feel like the intention within your shot is just so much more beautiful, and it speaks so much more to what you're trying to capture. I prefer prime lenses not just because of the amazing image quality that you get from them, but because of the intention that you have when you're creating this shot. On a zoom lens, I find that you are really kind of just like working with what's in front of you, whereas on a prime lens, I feel like you're really setting up what's in front of you. When I moved to Canon, I moved to Da Vinci at the same time, which was a kind of beautiful mesh, and I feel like the colors that I have been able to create from having such amazing raw files have advanced my storytelling in post-production so much. And I feel like having color as something that I have always loved, but the Canon has made me more obsessed with, has been such a kind of enlightening journey for my storytelling. Color is everything. I think especially since I started using this C50 has become even more higher on the scale of importance, and that's due to the flexibility of what I can do with it. So the cameras I do have in front of me obviously is my C50, which is my run and gun everything camera. I shoot all my campaigns on this. The camcorder, which I just love the nostalgic feeling and the way you shoot with a camcorder, the intimacy you can create with a camcorder. I feel like there's this kind of nostalgic way in that, like, you zoom and you feel when you're holding any different camera. I feel whenever you pick up a new camera, you inhabit a different way of storytelling, as with lenses. I'm very faithful to this kind of very 90s nostalgic storytelling. I've just picked up the G7X and the PowerShot V1. I am going to take them on my trip to Paris tomorrow. Love having this one, but having a smaller camera to just capture everything that you see, which for me is so much. The accessories I use on the daily are my matte box, and I usually pair that with a glimmer glass or a black pro mist. I also have my monitor to see everything very clearly. This guy, warning, because clients love to shoot on the beach. I have my Vlog batteries, which power my monitor and my camera setup. I don't take this on the daily, but I do love to record my sound. Sometimes I have my talent do beautiful voiceover, whether it be related to the story or related to themselves, and I love to record it on a beautiful microphone and manipulate that within my sound design, as sound is probably in one of the highest tiers of importance to me. The way I got into this world was literally just, I love people, I love their stories, and I started by just shooting my friends. I see so much beauty in everything around me, whether it just be the light of the afternoon or someone's personal connection with their partner or just who they are as a person. My name is Claudia Rose, and if you want to know more about me and my storytelling, see the description below.